Hi friends, in this video we will learn about inheritance concept. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behavior of parent object. Inheritance represents easy relationship. We have already seen this easy relationship. For example, car is a vehicle. So vehicle acts as a parent class, car acts as a child class. Here bike is a vehicle. Vehicle acts as a parent class, bike acts as a child class. This is a relationship that we also call it as parent-child relationship. So using extends keyword, we will make parent-child relationship between two classes. So something like, for example, if you think this is one class, I just name it as a parent class, and this is another class, I just name it as child class. So let's say child class is a parent class. How we can do that? Child class extends the parent class. So now child class can acquire all the properties which is present in parent class. That is this property name, this get property name behavior. If you create child class object, you can access child class plus parent class properties and behavior. So I took a main method just to show you how exactly it works. I created a child class object here and I can able to access parent class properties and behavior. You can see the highlighted lines, property name and get property name are part of parent class that I can able to access using child class. That means child class is acquiring all the properties and behavior of parent class, and the child class can also acquire their own properties and behavior. So you can see this is the child class property, and get child class property is the child class behavior. So I can able to access using child class object child class properties as well. If you are creating the parent class object, you are limited to access only parent class properties and behavior, but not child class properties, because here parent class is not extending child class. So this is parent class is separate class. So using parent class object, we can able to access only parent class properties and behavior. If you are trying to access child class property and child class behavior, it will give a compilation error saying child class property is not accessible by parent class object. Types of inheritance. So these types of inheritance I will cover in this next session. So hope you understood what is inheritance and how exactly we can use extends keyword to make a parent child relationship. If you want, we can also see bike car example as well. So now vehicle is a parent class, car one is a child class, bike one is also child class for this vehicle. Hope you understood. If you have any concerns, please make a comment. I will try to address it. Thanks for watching.